Hello everyone, how are you all? Children, in my today's video, I am going to explain you how to use Format Painter tool, how to apply superscript and subscript in the text. So let us watch. Children, before using this formatting painter, let me first explain what is formatting. Formatting means changing the appearance of a document to make it attractive, such as changing the color of the font, changing font and its size, making it bold, italics, etc. Children, before starting, let me explain you what is Format Painter. Format Painter is used when you want to copy and apply the formatting of one section of text which you have already done to another section of text. Let us begin. Select the text whose formatting you want to do. So I have selected this. Fine. Let us first increase the size and change the font you want to do. Say to Algerian. Also make it bold and change the color. Now you have seen that I have done the formatting in this section. Now I want to copy the same formatting on the another section. Say this formatting on this another section. So what I have to do for that is you have to select the text whose formatting you want to copy. Now for that you have to go to Home tab, Clipboard Group and click on the Format Painter. Now children, you can see that your mouse pointer has changed into a brush shape. Yes. Now drag the brush over the text on which you want to apply the formatting and drop. Now you see that the formatting of the previous text is applied to the selected text. Children, you can also use the shortcut key Ctrl plus Shift plus C from the keyboard. Now children, let us learn how to apply superscript and subscript option. The superscript option makes the selected text smaller and place it slightly above the baseline, and subscript also makes the selected text smaller and place it slightly below the baseline. Let us children see how I have written H2O. Say I have to take 2 below the baseline, so I have to apply subscript to this. Let us select 2, then we go to Font Group, Home tab, click on the dialog box launcher, the font dialog box appears. Select subscript checkbox under the effect section and OK. You will notice that immediately subscript is applied to the text. By superscript to this text, we again select to go to format dialog box again and select the superscript from the effect section. For a much quicker way, you can use these buttons from the font group. So here we have subscript and superscript. Press superscript. So superscript is applied to the text. Children, you can also use keyboard shortcut keys for subscript and superscript. For subscript, we have to hold down Ctrl plus equal sign, and for superscript, we have to hold Ctrl plus Shift plus button. Okay. I hope you have liked this video. For many more videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Observe and explore, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.